Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Photoleap app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and look for a search bar or the search icon from your screen. Now type in Photoleap and tap on search. Once you do that, it's going to suggest you a bunch of apps related to Photoleap. Go ahead and select the one with Photoleap AI Art Photo Editor. Once you do that, right beside the icon, you're going to see one of these four options: install, download, git, or backup. Select one of those options, then your phone will start downloading that app. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Photoleap on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.